Hello everyone, let's continue with our class. The sense organs which we were learning in our previous classes. Yes, so what about we learned in the previous classes? Yes, we learned about the eyes, ears, nose and tongue and how they help us. Yes, eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell and also for breathe, and tongue help us to taste the different food items. Yes. So about these four sense organs we learned in our previous classes. Let's see in this class what about we are going to learn, which body part, about which organ we are going to learn. Let's see. So all of you 5th class students, take out your EVS textbooks, page number 56, and we are going to learn here in today's class about the teeth. Yes, so today we are going to learn about the teeth. Do you all have teeth, children? Yes. Just check your teeth are all in same size. No. They have the different shapes. Yes. Now let's see more about the teeth and how they help us. Okay. Let's start our class. See here, teeth. We identify the different taste with our tongue. Do we take the help of our tongue alone while taking in the food? See, only our tongue help us to take the food inside. No, teeth are also used along with the tongue. We chew food with the help of our teeth. When we eat food, directly are we swallowing it? No. So, when we take food inside our mouth, first we chew them. With the help of what? Yes, with the help of our teeth. We chew food and then only we swallow it. Yes. What happens when we chew the food? Just you think. If you eat food directly when you swallow it, what will happen? It will be not digest properly. Yes. So when we eat food, we have to chew food so that the food which we are eating, it will be digest. Okay. We know the taste of food when we chew the food with our teeth. When we chew our food, then only we can identify their taste. We chew the food with our teeth, it mixes with the saliva. You know, children, what is the meaning of saliva? The liquid which is present in our mouth always, when we eat the food, with the help of that saliva, the food is mixes and it tastes very better. Understood, children? Saliva means the liquid which is always in our mouth and it mixes with the food that we are eating and our food becomes very tasty. Understood? So this saliva is mixes with what? With the food. Okay. People who lose their teeth cannot chew the food. See, after some age, people, the old people like our grandparents, they lose their teeth. Yes, after certain age, like our grandparents, they lose their teeth. So they cannot chew the food, no? Then they will not tell the food is how the taste of the food. Okay. So here people who lose their teeth cannot chew the food, hence they do not know the complete taste of food. Yes. So when we eat food, not only our tongue, we need the teeth also to chew it. And when we chew the food, what is mixes with that? Saliva. Okay, which makes our food is very tastier. We can identify the taste of the food. Okay, next come. When food is chewed, it breaks into small pieces and mixes thoroughly with saliva and thus gives a taste. See here, when we chew the food, it breaks into small pieces. Directly, instead of swallowing the food, we have to chew it properly, so that food becomes very small into small pieces, and thoroughly we can swallow it with the help of the saliva, and it gives very nice taste. Hence, we should take proper care to protect our teeth, as they help us in chewing and tasting the food. Yes, as we are taking or protecting the other body parts, like yesterday's class, in the previous classes we learned how to protect our eyes, how to protect our ears, nose and tongue. Yes, to keep them healthy. Here we have to protect our teeth also, which are very helpful in chewing the food. So what are that? Let's see here. Do you know how many teeth we have? Are all the teeth are similar? Just now I asked you one question, no? We have the same size or same shapes teeth? No, their sizes and shapes are different. Just you have to count. How many teeth do you have, children? You count yourself and see that how many teeth you have. Okay. Now let's see what are the different types of teeth we have. Okay. You might be counting your teeth now, yes? And checking that with their shapes and sizes also, no? So here we have the different types of teeth. How many types of teeth are there? Yes, there are the 4 types of teeth. And these 4 types of teeth, in what way they work for us, they help for us, that we have to see. Okay? See here. All of you check out the page number 56. All are here on the page number 56 only, no? Then see here, the picture is given about the teeth. First I will tell you, these are our teeth which are in the different shapes. So first we will see about the premolars. Yes, this is our premolars, molars, canines and incisors. These are the 4 types of teeth we have. Everybody have these 4 types of teeth, you know. Everybody. These are the 4 types of teeth we have. You'll think that only teacher is showing 4, but I have many teeth. No. See, these 4 types of teeth we have in our mouth, but they are in numbers. Yes. See these incisors, how many we have, canines, how many we have, premolars, how many we have, and molars, how many we have. Let's see in our next picture. But before that, we have to learn that there are the 4 types of teeth. How many types of teeth are there? 4. What are that? Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. These are the 4 types of teeth we have. And now let's check how many these teeth we have in our mouth. Their numbers. Okay. Now next, let's come to the next picture. See here. Look at this picture, everybody, correctly. See all of you here. The picture is about our teeth. Do we have like this teeth up and down? Yes. So total we have 32 teeth. Okay, children. After certain age, not now, at a time this 32 teeth will not grow in our mouth. Yes. They take time to grow. Understood? Now these 4 types of teeth, in what they help us? Let's see here once. See, these teeth, these 4 types of teeth help us in for biting, for tearing, for chewing and grinding the food. Understood? So these 4 types of teeth help us in what? In biting, tearing, chewing and grinding. Understood? Now let's see their numbers and how they are arranged in our mouth. Okay. See, these 2 are the premolars. How many premolars we have here? 2. How they help us? Chewing the teeth. Means the food which we eat, it helps us to chew it. Understood? Then molars. How many molars we have? 1, 2, 3. 3 premolars we have here, and they help us in the grinding teeth. Means the food which we chewed, it grinds it. Okay, after chewing the food, then these molars help to grind it. Understood? Next, canines. How many canines we have? Only here 1. See, just I am showing this half part of this. Then we'll count all the teeth. Okay, canines. How many canines are here? Yes, only 1. 1 canine is here. No? How it help us? Tearing the teeth. Just you imagine, children, not imagine, every day you do this activity. You know, children, when you bring kurkure packet or chips packet, whatever the packets when you bring, when it not opens, you will try to open it with your fingers. But when it not opens, what you do? You keep that packet into your mouth. Yes, at the corner, whether it is left corner or right corner, you keep that pocket, chips packet or kurkure packet, that you keep in the corner of your mouth and you tear the cover. Yes, you all children will do it, no? Yes, so these canines help us to tear. Your children do this activity, tearing the chips packet and kurkure packets. Yes, so these canine used for tearing. And next come to these incisors. How many incisors we have? 4. Yes, this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. This front teeth, our front 4 teeth are called the incisors, and these help us to bite. What will bite? When we eat the fruits like banana, apple, we bite. Yes, using our this front teeth. Yes, this front teeth we use to bite the food items like apple, mango, banana. We bite. Yes. So here we have seen these are the 3 molars. Yes, 1, 2, 3 molars, 2 premolars, 1 canines and 4 incisors. Now let's count how many it has finished. These 4 incisors and 1 canine means 5. Premolars 2 means 7 and molars 3, 10. So we have this side 10. Next, let's start from here. See, these are finished incisors. After that, what is? Here it is canine. Next of these 2 are what? Premolars. And next 3 are these what? Molars. So how many are? Here 3 molars are here. Here 3 molars. How many? 6. These 2 premolars. Here 2 premolars. How many are finished? 4. Here 1 canine and here 1 canine. How many finished? 2. And these 4 are the incisors. Okay. So in our mouth, this is the arrangement of the teeth. So total we have the lower jaw. This is called the jaw. Okay. This is called the jaw. So in the lower jaw, how many teeth do we have? Tell. 16. Okay. These 3, this 2, this 1 and this 4. How many? 10. And here again these 3, 13, 15, 16. Yes, so here all we have 16. Like that the same arrangement is given on the upper jaw. Okay, this is called the upper jaw and this is called the lower jaw. So we have the 16 teeth on upper jaw and 16 teeth on the lower jaw. Understood? So now tell me, do you understood how many teeth we have? We have 32 teeth. In that how many premolars are there? Yes, total we have to tell. Okay, here these 2, here these 2, here these 2 and here these 2. How many? 8 premolars. Molars how many we have? Here 3, here 3, here 3 and here 3. Total 12. Canines, how many canines we have? Only 4. Here it is 1, here it is 1, here it is 1 and here it is 1. You can identify our canines. They are only 4 but they are very sharp. They are very sharp. Just you have to check in the corner of your mouth. You have the 4 canines. Okay, corner of the mouth and they are very sharp. They are used for the tearing the things. Next, let's come to this picture. See, these incisors, these are arranged here, this. Understood? Here 4, these are the incisors. Here, these 4 are the incisors. Okay? Next, canines. Where are the canines? Here it is canine, here it is canine, here it is canine and here it is canine. 4 canines we have. Then premolars are arranged beside the canines. Next, molars. Okay, so total we have 32 teeth which will grow in the certain age. One by one they will grow in our mouth. Not at a time all teeth will grow in our mouth. You know, children. First, which teeth will grow in our mouth first at first? Yes, premolars. Understood? After premolars, then incisors, then canines and then last molars will grow in our mouth. Okay? Now you understood there are the 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars, which are arranged 16 in the lower jaw and 16 in the upper jaw. Understood? Everybody understood? Okay, now let's come to the next page. Here on page number 57. See here, one activity which is given here. What is this? Observe the teeth in your friend's mouth and discuss. No need of to discuss with your friends because you are all at home. Just you have to check yourself how many teeth you have in the upper jaw and in lower jaw, and you have to write here in this box. Yourself you have to check and write. Okay? Next, you eat different kinds of food. Don't you observe and write in the table the types of teeth in the help in eating different food items. See here, one table is given which we have to fill and write here which teeth used to eat this. Okay? Here the food items are given and which teeth is used for eating this. We have to fill. Okay? Before that, let's see here. Teeth help us to bite and chew the food and speak clearly. See, our teeth help us to bite, chew and speak clearly. The teeth that first appear in children are called milk teeth. See, just now I told you the teeth which grown in our mouth in the children. After 1 year, the teeth will start to grow into the babies when they are in a certain age, see, they are called the milk teeth. Which teeth? Milk teeth. The first appear in the children. The first teeth which are appeared in the children are called the milk teeth. They fall of the age of 8 or 9 years. See, the teeth which are appeared first in our mouth, in the baby's mouth or in the children's mouth, are called the milk teeth. Okay. When this milk teeth fall off? In the age of 8 or 9 years, when these children grow, and when their age is 8 or 9 years old, then this milk teeth will start to fall off. In their place, the new strong and big teeth will grow. You know, children, when these milk teeth fall off, in the same place, the another new strong and big teeth starts to grow. They are known as permanent teeth. So these teeth are called the permanent teeth. If we lose these teeth, we cannot get back the new ones. See, after fall of this milk teeth in the age of 8 or 9, in the same place, the new strong and big teeth will grow. What will happen if these teeth also will fall? They are called the permanent teeth. Yes, if these permanent teeth also will fall off, then what will happen? Another any new teeth will grow there? No. If we lose these permanent teeth, we cannot get it back. Understood? For that we have to take care much for our teeth. Yes. Because teeth help us to tear the things, for chewing the food, grinding, biting. If we lose our teeth, can we do all these things? No. So we have to protect our teeth. Yes. Hence, if we do not brush our teeth properly, they decay and our mouth smells bad. See, every day when you wake up in the morning, we have to brush our teeth. Yes. If you don't do it, what will happen? So children, what we have to do to protect our teeth? Yes, we have to brush our teeth properly to keep them safe. Yes, healthy. If this happens, we cannot eat the food we like and we cannot chew properly. See, the food items which we like, we cannot eat them. If this happens, if you don't brush your teeth, yes, and we cannot chew the food also. Now, see here, one table is given here which we have to write which teeth are helpful to us. Apple. Which teeth is used to eat the apple? Yes, incisor. So write here INCISORS. Okay. Next, sugar cane. How do we eat sugar cane? Which teeth help us? Yes, canine. So here we have to write canines. Okay. Bengal grams. Do you know, children, Bengal gram means what? Chanagapappu. How do we eat this Bengal grams? With the help of which teeth? Here we have to write premolars. Okay. These premolars are help to chew the food. Mango. Mango also we eat with the help of the incisors, these teeth. Okay. Next, rice. How do we chew the rice? With the help of premolars and then molars. Okay. With the help of premolars we chew rice and then these molars grind it and then we swallow the food. Okay. Next piece, premolars. Now you all understood, children, how these 4 types of teeth useful in the different ways. Yes, for biting, tearing, chewing and grinding. Now in the next class we'll learn how to protect our teeth, what precautions we have to take to keep them healthy. I hope till here you all understood how many types of teeth are there and their arrangement. Okay.